Hello friends, today's topic is sorted A array using insertion sort algorithm. This is my array and we sort this array from this array using insertion sort algorithm. We enter the value 11, 9, 10, 5, 8 and 3 and the after swapping 9 and 11 swapping the 9 and 11 and this is sorted array. 9 and 11 is sorted array and 10, 5, 8, 3 is unsorted array and 10 is swap with 11, then 9, 10, 11 is sorted array and 5, 8, 3 is unsorted array and 5 swap with 9, then 5, 9, 10, 11 is sorted array. 8 and 3 is unsorted array. 8 is swap with 9. 5, 8, 9, 10, 11 is sorted array. And 3 is unsorted array. And 3 is swap with 5. And 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11 is sorted array. This is sorted array. And this is unsorted array. I, k, temp, and n is integer type variables, and array is integer type variables, and the unsorted array is enter the value how many blocks you want, and we enter the value of n is 3. Then four blocks are created because we start the value of I is 0. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, and we use the for loop, enter the value in the blocks. Let's enter the value in ith blocks. We enter the value is 11, 9 and 10 and 5. We enter the value in these blocks. The value of I is 0. We use the this loop for traverse the array, and temp equal to 0. The value of I is the value of I is 0, and the temp equal to array I. Array I value is 0. 0 is point the 11, and 11 is insert in the temp, and for value the value of k is -1 because the value of I is 0 and -1 equal to k value is -1. -1 and k greater than 0 condition is false, and then loop is terminated. Then execute this part. K value, the value of k plus 1. Array k plus 1 means the value of k is -1 and 1 is 0. The value of temp, the value of temp is insert in 0 block. The value is insert in this block, and loop execute again. The value of I is 1. The value of I is 1 and the temp equal to array I. The I value is point the 1, and this is insert in temp, and for the value of k is it is removed, and the value of k is I minus 1. The value of I is 1 and I minus 1 equal to 0. Condition is true. K equal to n greater than 0. Condition is true. Temp less than array k. The value of k is 0 and temp less than k. Condition is true. Then execute this loop, and array k plus 1. The value of k is 0 plus 1 means 1. This is block and array k this 11 and 11 is insert in this blocks and the loop execute again. The value of k is -1 because the in k is increment decrement and k minus 1 1. The value of k is decrement and condition check k greater than equal to 0 condition is false. Then loop is terminated. The value of k plus 1 is k plus 1 0. Point the this value. K point the this value and temp. The value of temp is 9 is insert here. And let's see. The two values are sorted in this array and this is 10 and 5 is unsorted. And the value of I is 2 and this is remove and the value of k is 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Let's see this, check this. Temp equal to array I. The value of array I is 2. Then 2 is insert in temp and the value of k is 1 and 1 is greater than equal to 0 condition is true. Temp less than array k. Array k is 1 is condition true. Then loop is terminate execute k plus 1 is k plus 1 is 2 and k is 1. Then this is here, this is value is point here and the loop execute again. The value of k is 0 decrement in k 0. Then k greater than equal to 0 condition is true. Temp temp less than greater than array k. The value of array k is 9 and value of temp is 10. Condition is false and the loop is terminated and array k, the value of k is 0 and plus 1. Array 1. This is array 1 and equal to temp. The temp value is insert here and the value of I is increment. The value of I is 3. 4. K equal to temp equal to array I. Array I point the 3. Let's see. 9, 10, 11 is sorted array and temp equal to array I. Array I point the 3. 3 point the value 5 and 5 is insert in temp and the value of k is this is remove and value of k is 3 minus 1 equal to 2 and k greater than equal to 0 condition is true. Temp less than array k, the value of k is 2 condition is true. Then execute this part and array k plus 1 means array k plus 1 3 and array k 11. 11 value is insert array k plus 1. 11 is insert in array 3 and this this value is insert here and loop execute again. The value of k is 1. The value of k is 1 and k greater than equal to 0 and condition is true. Temp less than array k. The value of array k is 1. Condition is true. Then execute this part. Array k plus 1 means the value of k is 1 is array 2. Array 2 point the blank blocks and array k means 1. This one block is point value 10. Then 10 is insert here. After the loop is execute again, the value of k is 0 and k greater than equal to 0 condition is true, and temp greater than array k, the value of array k is 0 and 0.9. 9 is, and value of temp is 5. 5 is less than 9, condition is true. Then array k plus 1 point this block, and array k point this block, and value is this value is insert here, and loop execute again. The value of k is -1, and k greater than equal to 0 condition is false. Then array k plus 1, and k plus 1 is this value is 0, and 0 is the temp value is insert in first 0 block. 5 is insert here, and condition, the loop is terminated. Condition check, the value of I is, the I value of I is 4, and I less than equal to n, condition is false because the value of I is 4 and value of n is 3, condition is false. Then loop is terminated, and we use the loop for this traverse, this display this value. Sorry, we use the C. So this is I change here. Here we write C out after the array display, and this is we execute this array. We enter the three values 11, 9, 10, 5. Let's we create here this. We insert three values 11, 9, 10, and 5. Let's see. 5, 9, 10, 11. This array is sorted, and we enter the other values. We enter the 5 values. We enter the value of n is 5. Then 9, 8, 11, 20, 25, and 3. Let's see. 3, 5, 9, 11, 20, and 25 is sorted array. Thank you so much.